Back on the channel with Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G, and I did ask you if you like to see some tips and tricks that I find also on internet, and you're free to go on internet to find those tricks. And today we're gonna try to apply some of those tips and tricks on this Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. It's quite a very capable mid-range. We got quite a good chipset like Snapdragon 750, a 5G chipset. We got 6 GB of RAM on this device and quite a great GPU. We're gonna start with the first tip, and I can say that this Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite does not have reversible wireless charging. What you probably didn't know is that your phone can charge other devices via USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter, and that adapter looks like this. And what you have to do is to take the other smartphone. It's already with the USB Type-C cable already plugged in. What you have to do is to plug this USB Type-C port right here and then connect the cable like that, and if you can see, start charging the other device. So yes, you can use your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite charging other devices. You can find this USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter on different websites, and on this one I did pay only £4, which is quite a good deal if you want to use your smartphone like a power bank. Another tip would be to give the phone a boost by speeding up the MIUI animations. And from the first version of Android, you can accelerate system animations to improve the phone performance when opening applications in transitions between the menu. To do this, you have to have what is known as development settings. In MIUI 12, you just have to go on settings, about the phone, and within this menu you'll find this section called the MIUI version, and you must press for a couple of times, like 3 or 7, and to activate this developer mode. If you can see, is no need, I am already a developer, so once active you'll have to scroll to additional settings, back, let's see where they are, additional settings, which you're gonna find the developer options. And once you're here, you can scroll down a bit, scroll down. You got so many settings, but now you're gonna find this window animation, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. So you can select on 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 to give a slightly boost on transition, and maybe when you try to just open the apps. Anyway, this phone supports 120 Hz refresh rate, so you're probably gonna make it even faster. The next tip would be how to set up a song like your ringtone. And to do that, you just have to go on settings, scroll down on sounds and vibrations, go on ringtone, all ringtones, choose local ringtone, this is important, and now you got another 3 options, and you either go on recorder. If you record anything like a voice, you can choose from file manager if you got any song saved on your device, and also you got music again. So if you prefer a song, you don't have any songs on your device, so I don't have at the moment. Yeah, you can choose any song you like to listen, and you can set up like a ringtone for your device. The next tip would be mirror apps on the Mi 10T Lite 5G, and within this section the system will show up a list of the applications that can duplicate. In this way you can have 2 or more user accounts in applications such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And to do that you just have to go on settings, and go on apps, actually scroll on apps, go on dual apps, and we got already created Instagram. Also you can choose WhatsApp. Let's tap this one, and it's already duplicated on this screen. So at this moment you can use two WhatsApp in the same time on this Mi 10T Lite 5G. Let's see what's happened if you tap on WhatsApp. Yeah, it's gonna ask you to create another account, and if you can see, it's asking for your number. I already have installed WhatsApp on this smartphone, so having this one again, yeah, it's actually worked, and you can have a duplicate WhatsApp. And one more tip or tricks, however you can say, to do on this Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G is to activate the hidden options of the Mi 10T Lite with these applications. MIUI 12 has a string of options and functions that are only accessible from certain hidden menus of the system. But going on this Play Market, you can type, let's say, hidden settings for MIUI. I did install it. You can install this app, just open it, and once you open this app, you can have a lot of functions right here. The hardware test and check version info. This is good also. Vibrator, no vibrator, pass or fail, keyboard and vibration test. I can hear how vibrates. OTG, please plug in OTG. Reverse charging test. Well, I did show you how to do that with that cable. Fingerprint sensor test, pass. Fingerprint input test, okay. So you got so many options right here, 30, 40, 50, 60, even notification LED on the back. Backlight first, okay, let's go back. Bluetooth scan, NFC test. Yeah, GPS, so you can test all of this with this app, which is quite good. Wireless charging test, no SIM card. So you got like 93 options that you can test on your device with this app, which is called Hidden Options, and you can find it on Google Play Store. Another tip would be to use a password to access applications, and probably you know that with MIUI 12 you can block access to any application with a password, fingerprint or even face. So how to do that? You have to go again on settings, scroll down on apps, app lock, and then you just have to turn this on. And I did set up a very easy pattern. Next, add your MIUI account. If you got one, you can add it. If not, you just have to register for one and add again. MIUI was added successful, and now you can use app lock for any of this app, and they give you a few options right here. Actually 14 apps will be protected with app lock. And for example, let's go on deactivate all of this and leave only Instagram. That's it. So we just leave Instagram at the moment and use app lock for that Instagram. Okay, and now let's have a look if it's actually working. And I did add Instagram on the main screen, and if we're gonna try to access the account, oops, we're gonna ask for permission, and we just have to put the pattern that we just registered on our phone. If you're not gonna do that, you're not gonna have access to the Instagram at any point. And for those who got problems with the Wi-Fi connection, data connection, I'm trying to explain what do I do on my phones in general. Let's say if I got problem with the data connection, I try to disconnect and then reconnect, and it should be back at normal, if you can see, on 4G plus. Or I always do this trick, I put it on airplane mode. This replaces that option to restart the device. So once you activate the airplane mode, you're not going to have access to the networks unless you deactivate this, and both networks try to reconnect on my device and maybe try to find the signal, and the data would be available again. The same trick you can do with the Wi-Fi, and it should fix this problem with data connection. If this continue, let's say on Wi-Fi, you may have a problem with the router, so it's worth to restart the router in order to get Wi-Fi back on your device. And now probably one last thing, but the last one, it's that when I'm trying to improve the battery of my device, and we all know that this Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite is coming with 120 Hz refresh rate. Yeah, it's a better experience on 120 Hz, so you can leave it like that, or you can switch it on 60 Hz. Also you can put on dark mode. Also from the K menu I'm deactivated location and NFC because this is taking a lot of battery, and I'm trying to put on auto brightness all the time to not keep it on the same level, because this, well, it's gonna eat from battery quite a lot. Also you can deactivate all of this, and if you want to have that experience of 120 Hz refresh rate, yeah, keep it on 120 Hz refresh rate and deactivate location, NFC, and keep it on auto brightness. So pretty much these are only a few tips and tricks that you can do on your Xiaomi Mi 10T Lite 5G. If you want to find even more tips and tricks, just leave a comment and say what would you like to see. And hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you like it. If so, give it a like, share, subscribe for even more videos. And until next time, all the best.